Situated in the southeast of Sindh and neighbouring with the Indian border of Rajasthan, Tharparkar is one of the most underdeveloped areas in rural Pakistan. Covering approximately 20,000 square kilometers of barren land, the local residents known as Tharis lack even the basic necessities of life. Made of wood and dry bushes, the inhabitants of the area reside in small houses called choras. Families living in the area would on an average have 8 to 10 children, but lack the necessary resources or nutrition to feed them. In Tharparkar, the responsibility to get water for the family primarily lies upon the women of the house. These women would normally be accompanied by their children and would at times walk up to 6 to 8 hours each morning simply to fetch a few liters of water. This water would usually be in open ponds or small temporary water wells built in order to collect rainwater. Containing all kinds of filth and dirt in it, the water collected is in no way suitable for the use of humans or even animals and leads to the death of hundreds of children each year.
The fluoride content within the old water wells was so high that one of the common diseases which is seen in this part of the world is what we call as fluorosis. Fluoride in high content deposits gets deposited into the bones, into the spine. That's why most of these individuals, as they grow old, they get spinal deformities and as a result die at a very early age.
વહેલા ઉઠી તમે પાણી ભરવા પાણી રે એમાં જમ તંગાઈ છે પણ તમે વેરાઈ દીધે વાહ કરીને જમ સવલ થઈ પણ જો બીજે વેરાઈ ખપાય તળાવમાં મેલટી પાસ વાગે કિન્નો પાણી ગંદુ પાણી પીતા માલ મોણ ગધેડા કૂતરા કોઈ બધા ભેળા પીતા કોઈ ડિલિવરી થઈ જાય નગર પૂગી નહીં એકતે વીસું પરડા કોઈ પૂગી કે કોઈ ન પૂગી તો એથાય બાપડી મરી જાય છે.
Humanity First Pakistan undertook this challenge of digging in water wells in order to provide clean drinking water to the residents of this area. The water wells which we have dug in a number of villages have done a miraculous work for the residents of those areas. But the challenges which we faced were extremely great. For example, at times we had to dig through solid rock which took hours, and in the sweltering heat of summers, particularly the months of June, July and August, there were various, not I would say casualties, but some people even felt unconscious.
In search of clean drinking water, sometimes wells have to be dug as deep as 400 feet into the surface.
तकलीफ़ जाम है। अगे पुराना खूह हुआ, वो खूह थी वो खारो माइटाणो अगलो हो। हींअर असां दरकार ॾिनी हुई पंहिंजे मिट्टी फेस्टिवल वारनि खे, उन असांखे खूह ॾिनो आहे। खोटाई करूं पिया, पथर अची विया, खोटाई करूं पिया, ख़ुदा कंदो पाणी मिठो ईंदो। हुननि जी भलाई असांखे ॾिनो आहे।
At times, wells had to be dug through hard rock, which would both double the cost and the time spent on it. Humanity First reaches out to people from within the village to work for them and be part of a wider team of Humanity First.
ह्यूमैनिटी फस्ट की सुठी बात एस है त जेको खूह अमोने ॾिनो गयो उहे ला जेको लेबर्स है वो हमारे गोमरी राखी ए बेहतर में बेहतर एस है हमारी मजूरी 4 महीनों री खुली अन फुटरे हिसाबों जेको मजूरी सो अमोने गोम वालों ॾिनी ए एक वॾी तमारी मेहरबानी।
This not only earns the residents of the village a livelihood, but also gives them a sense of ownership and helps maintain these water wells. During our Water for Life project in Tharparkar, we witnessed various catastrophes faced by the residents of those areas. One such tragedy took place on the 6th of May 2014, which shook the very lives of 65 families.
इथे 6 महीनो वाक्य थियो तकरीबन 2 वागे 3 वागे आग लग गई गाँव में। आग 65 चोरा तबाही थी जली। हर शे का शे न रही, का शे तीलो न रही, कख भी अतो न रही, का रालई जा का इंसान आपरे मने जान बचावे कोरो मने जो घरों हुता पड़ा था गर्मी री मौसम थई तो खमीस उतारी हुता पड़ा खमीस उठे साडे आपरे जान बचावे अन गोठू बाहर निकले मने का खादा पीदा शे न दर का शे न निक माल भी बकरे जली गई।
ફરી આવી બધેલ અને બધું કે ના બીચું અમે ભાગી ભાગીને જાય ને બારા બેઠા હો સીમમાં અમારું આપણો દિમાગ ખરાબ થઈ ગયો અજાણથી ઠીક થયું બચ્ચા લઈને ભાગી અમે ભાગ્યાની કોશિશ કરી બહાર ગયા ઉઠે કે અમને રાલી નકો કે ન જડા જે એમી બેઠા પટમાં હતા બધા ઘર બળી ગયા અમાર આપણી મિલકત બધા ગોઠ બધા મારી મિલકત જમ બળી કી કરો દુકાન સડી ગયા માર તો દિમાગ કેથી થઈ
कई तंजीमों आवे कई अधारा आया था पण अमारी मने आ मदद कने न करी अमारी मदद पसे मतलब होम असिस्ट ते अधारो आयो उए आवी अतो पूछो के भाई तमे थे अमे खाली आसमान हेठ बैठा था सीम में वणो हेठ सोयो के तो ने उए खादो पीदो मन तो के जरी तो को गोमरी कने दीधो तो अन पसे उए पूछो पे उए अमोने मने धेगो उतारी भत नोनो बाळो खराया बिस्कुट चाय ये हमारी मदद करे। वो पहिरीं शुरुआत में अमन खाधो खोराक बिस्कुट चांहि उहे होंजरे टोणे अमन आवे उहे मणी आवे ने अमने बाळों ने लंघन छुड़ाया। ये अमने लकड़ी दीने अने ये अमने चारपाइयों वगैरह कपड़ा बर्तन वगैरह ये बधो राशन अमो दीनो अने उहो उठाया ये अदारो होम स्टे अदारो है बधी मदद ये कर।
The team of Humanity First worked tirelessly for the people of Kohara and at the end were able to restore the entire village, housing 250 persons, to a condition even better than before. Once a water well is complete, we invite the head of the village, known as the Patel, to inaugurate it. This gesture might appear as trivial, but it gives the residents of the village an overwhelming feeling of joy and happiness.
जे माने माने वेरी पहलो मारा माने वेरी होते जथे पण शेटी तो माने माना 2 टन कलाक में जाता भरवा उथे जदी माना बाल बच्चो मन माना उथे मारा जायद तो उथे जरूर अते टाइम लागती मन पानी खारो होतो और शेटी टाइम होती उथे माने।
लरो ले लरो आते साडो ठल कर रहन रहन साडो मन सवलत मन मिले बधई ढुकड़े गोमरा तरफो मन पकई वेरे बंधावण टाकेड़ कच्ची वेरे ते मन बधई मन दुख तो पानी रो माल रो तणो तणो भाई तण अब मन बधई सवलत से पानी रे अन एड़ो एड़ो मीठो रहे पानी।
अरे ठीक वेटी फाइट वाले मने वेरी दिन या थे मने मने घर रे अंदर मन दिनो सुख थियो पानी थियो मिठो पानी थियो मने जे मिठो पानी थियो घर अंदर पानी थियो मने सुख वटो वात थे गई नका मन टाइम जाया ते जम होते सही ते वारे करे भगवान तुम्हारो भलो करे जे हमारो भलो थियो।
We urge all donor countries and all our partners and stakeholders to help us in completion of this project, which is 100 water wells by the middle of next year, and hopefully we intend by the grace of God of completing 500 water wells in the next 2 to 3 years. Jazakumullah.